Hello everybody, welcome back to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the immensely popular Bombay Potatoes, spicy delicious and absolutely lip smacking. To begin, boil 500 grams of baby potatoes in salted water, peel and keep aside. If baby potatoes are not available, you can use regular size ones cut into bite-sized pieces. Heat 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan. Add in the potatoes and saute until they colorize. Remove and keep aside. In the same oil, add a bay leaf, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, sarson, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, jeera, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, sauf, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, dhania, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds, methi dana, and quarter teaspoon asafoetida hing. Allow them to crackle. Add 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies, a sprig of curry leaves, and 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped. Saute until they change color. Next, add in the dry masalas, half teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder haldi. Mix. Add about half a cup of water so that the masalas do not burn. Cook until the masala dries out a bit. Now add in the potatoes. Mix until well coated. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes so that the potatoes absorb the flavors. Finish with 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 tablespoons chopped green coriander leaves. Mix well. The spicy Bombay potatoes are ready to serve. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with rotis or paranthas. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.